Right, so where are we today? Are we in Beverly Hills? Are we in Dubai? Are we in the Riviera? Oh, the Riviera. No, we're actually in Moroni Village, which is a 20 minutes drive from Larnaca, 20 minute drive from Limassol in Cyprus. And we have got this stunning, bespoke, 4-bedroom house here with a pool. And just look what I'm seeing. Okay, you can see we have a private driveway all the way into a plot of 2,488 square meters. Coming up into this sunny terrace, just look at the size of that swimming pool. Outside seating areas, absolutely stunning. And that's before we even talk about the house. The house is over 300 square meters of covered area, and it's built over 3 floors, and it was bespoke built by the current owners. And just looking down then, you can see the size of the plot. We have mature, that's a few trees, olive trees, apricots, pomegranates, you name it, it's all there. Right now, come with me and take a look inside this beautiful house. As soon as you step inside, you realise this is not your standard Cyprus build. Just look at the height of the ceiling. You need to know as well, there's underfloor heating, there's central air. We have the gas fire here as well. Just look at those skylights in the ceiling there. We have this beautiful entrance hall, leads up into the bedrooms, and even nicer, leads down to this family space down here. Now, the house was built in 2009, but it's a little bit more advanced than we normally see. It does have speakers in all the rooms. It has a smart room downstairs in all the rooms with the internet, leading through into a huge kitchen, perfect for all those evenings and dining with friends, around the breakfast bar and cooking on this range. Really, really something special. And leading down here we have the dining room itself, with some stunning views at the side of that window. Plenty big enough for all those family occasions. Now, on this level, we go up here to the master bedroom. Just look at the height of those ceilings, look at those views, walk-in wardrobe, and also its own ensuite bathroom. Like I said, you just simply don't have this sort of architecture normally in Cyprus. The owners designed it themselves. Okay, so on the top level then, we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. The first bedroom, this one here, is being used as the office. Just see the windows, there's just views from every single window. Were specially made for the current owners. We have the second bedroom. Huge bedroom, loads of windows, loads of wardrobe space. Just views from everywhere. Again, a great sized room, and this one has a veranda with views to the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. So, this is the entrance door then, and you can see straight up to the lights. On this side, we have the double garage. And then onto the gamer's room. Anybody fancy? A gamer's room. Also then, you've got another storeroom here, like a laundry room. And because I said there's lots of smart technology going in this house, we have the smart technology room, but it's a bit messy in there, so let's just carry on. Now, if you're interested in this house, please drop us a line below or give us a call on the numbers, and it'd be my great pleasure to bring you here to show you this beautiful house. Thank you.